Um, I have 2 tickets for Zombies 3, and so I want to ask you if you want to go to the movie with me on Valentine's Day on Thursday night.
Episode 9. Dora's First Date. Hi guys, how's life treating you? Have you watched the newest stories of my life? You've watched everything? Wow, that's wonderful, my dear friends. There were a lot of things happening to me, such as helping an old lady on the street, getting punished, and compliments for that, visiting my hometown Boston, and being on the NYH News. It's such a ride of emotions to me. But it's nearly Valentine's Day, and things are becoming even more interesting now. It's a secret. You will have to find out yourself. So please stay tuned. Mikey, do you mind helping us with making the table?
Yeah, sure, baby.
The soup is coming. Who is hungry? Oh, me.
So am I, Dora. Your soup smells so delicious, though.
Thank you. Guys, let's dig in. Yes, I cannot wait to taste your chicken soup. And I am mouth-watering for your tuna salad and steaks.
Oh, come on, girls. You two are the best cooks in the house. Stop complimenting each other. It's such an honor for me to be your VIP guest tonight.
You are a VIP, a very important person, Mike.
Yummy.
I should go easier on the salt. Do you guys think the chicken soup is a bit salty? Oh no, it's totally fine for me.
Same thought. It's flavorful, Dora. Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, do you have any plans for Valentine's Day, Dora? Any special dates? Oh, really? I almost forgot about it. But anyway, no, I don't have any plans yet.
Wait. No way.
No way! People are not supposed to be alone on Valentine's Day in New York City.
Oh, please, Jess. Dora can have her own free time doing things that she likes. Isn't that great?
Yeah, I still can do a bunch of fun activities by myself, like going to the Japanese restaurant in the neighborhood or visiting Chinatown.
All right, but I still keep my idea. You deserve someone who can do all those exciting things with you.
I get it, Jess. Let's finish your soup before it gets cold. Oh, my back! Does it hurt? Sometimes. But it's worth it when we can finally come to a very nice and clean content for our next show.
Yeah, you're right. I'm hoping that Sarah will give us positive comments.
She will. Don't worry too much, Dora. I'll go to the canteen to get some coffee. Would you like some?
I'm fine, thanks. I've already had enough caffeine for the day.
All right, I'll be back soon.
Take your time. See ya. Hi, Dora.
Good morning, Jake. Are you going to the canteen?
No, I'm not going to the canteen. I'm just passing by to ask you this.
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
I have 2 tickets for Zombies 3, and so I want to ask you if you want to go to the movie with me on Valentine's Day, on Thursday night. Well, I mean, in case your schedule is still available on Thursday.
Well, you said Zombies 3, right?
Yeah. Zombies 3, that's what I said.
I'm a big fan of that film. And yes, I'm free that night. I think that I can go with you.
Oh, that'd be fantastic. Here is your ticket. At 7:30, and after that, may I have the honor to have dinner with you too?
Yes, that's even better. Can I be the one who chooses the dining?
Of course you can. Ladies first.
I'm thinking about a Japanese restaurant. Is Japanese sushi fine for you, Jake?
Sushi for Valentine's Day? Perfect! I'll come to pick you up at 6:45 p.m. on Thursday.
That's fine. I will save the date.
Yeah. See ya.
I couldn't believe that this is the final part.
Yeah. Did you remember the detail when the Dr. Thomas drank that green substance?
Indeed. He did it like there is no tomorrow, didn't he? I thought that substance would actually work and save them all.
The Zombies 3 directors really instilled that idea into our heads.
True. By the way, are you ready for dinner now?
Yes, I am. We're going to Sushi Planet, aren't we?
Come on, let's go. I'm feeling like I can eat a lot already.
So, Dora, what do you often do for fun?
Well, I love music, so I often am practicing new songs, and I even began to compose.
Wow, that's impressive. What musical instrument do you play?
I play guitar and a little bit of drums. How about you, Jake? What do you do in your free time?
I know how to play the drums too. Besides that, I do fancy sports of all kinds.
Interesting. Oh, what is your favorite sport?
Oh, tough question. I do spend a lot of time at the swimming center, but that's probably not the one. My choice might go to horse riding.
Horse riding? I've never done that. It must be so cool.
Yeah, the horse is a very friendly animal. Do you know how to befriend a horse?
I don't. How?
You need to look right into his or her eyes with no hesitation. Just sincere. That's the way.
Right into the horse's eyes with sincerity? Like what I'm doing right now.
Oh, you're doing it so right. But please don't look at me with those eyes.
Why? You're being funny, right?
Not so funny if you can hypnotize the horse with your eyes.
Stop joking, Jake.
Okay, I mean, your eyes are very beautiful. And horses can really be hypnotized by sparkly objects.
Aw, thank you so much.